Morning guys, it is day 11 of Vlogmas. The only reason I know that's because the advent calendar. I've got my little co-host Elsa here. Penny is upstairs asleep because we had to take her to the vet yesterday. Well, that's not why she's upstairs asleep. She's upstairs asleep because that's where she sleeps when she gets up. I know. She's okay. She's got a little ulcer on her eye. And £85 later, hopefully, it'll all get sorted. Got some more spots, which I'm not happy about. Like I've got one here, which won't go away. I could do anything to it and it's just not going away. But yeah, it is Advent time. Also, I keep putting like random black things off of my leggings. So, ooh, hello. Ooh, I swear to God, this is getting bigger. Right, so 11 looks really thin. So I'm just gonna bring you down. So 11's here. Ooh, okay. Ow. So when I was about 25, I only wore super red lipstick. So this is the High Shine Lip Crayon from number 7, of course. That is red AF. I'm gonna have to do a swatch. I don't usually do swatches. Okay, is this Christmas tree gonna hold? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so that's quite red. That is, yeah. I'm not very good at swatching. I don't usually do it. And I don't really want to put it on my lips right now. But that is insanely red. And it's got the twisty bit at the bottom so you don't have to sharpen it. That is quite nice. So, and I don't know if anybody knows about these. I'm sure you do because people are better than me. So that date there, which says 36 months, and it's got like an open canister, open carton thing, tub, I suppose is the word. From the day you open this, and that'll be from today, you've got 36 months to use the product, and then you need to bin it. Knowledge. So yeah, I can't believe how quick this is going. Like, we've already done 11 days. Like, we're not obviously halfway there yet, but this is going fast. I'm sure you can hear little pitter-patters. Elsa's having her breakfast. I should probably have mine at some point. I was thinking about which ones to show you today. Oh gosh, okay. So this is one that I got from Tiger, and we got this a few years ago now actually. So yeah, as you can see, my tree is very dinosaur based. I don't know why that's a thing. Also, can anybody tell me why are Christmas sloths a thing this year? I saw a few things last year. For example, I think we purchased a sloth ornament for my housemate, and this year they're everywhere. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 12, which pretty much is halfway. Scary. Right, have a lovely day, and if you're not already and you'd like to be, please do hit that button down below and subscribe. Become one of my kittens. Sounds like I'm collecting cats. I'm not. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.